Good morning, beautiful minds. If you're feeling a little sleepy or just need a boost to start your day, you've come to the right place. Welcome to this 10-minute morning flow designed to help you wake up, stretch out, and brighten your morning. Let's take it slow and bring some fresh energy to our day together. Ready to feel amazing? Let's dive in. Neck stretch. Start in a comfortable seat, spine straight, and stretch your neck first. Drop your ear to the left shoulder. Relax your right shoulder. Move to the right. Tuck your chin to your chest and try to move your chin close to your neck to lengthen the back of your neck and breathe slowly. Return to the center. Gently move your head side to side to release any tension you may have from your sleep. Cat and cow pose. Move to the tabletop position. Inhale, arch your back, open your chest, try to lengthen your spine. Exhale, chin to chest first, and then round your back, open the upper back. Move with your breath. Inhale and exhale. Imagine you touch your upper back to the ceiling. Again, inhale and exhale. Thread the needle. From here, bring your left arm to the ceiling. Open up a little bit more and thread it under your right arm, bringing your left shoulder to the mat for thread the needle. Extend your right arm overhead for a deeper stretch. Return to tabletop and repeat on your right side. Downward facing dog. Tuck your toes, tuck your chin to your neck, tighten your belly to support your spine, and lift your hips up to turn into downward facing dog. Let your head be heavy, relax your shoulders, and imagine your butt is pulling your spine upward to lengthen your spine. Pedal your feet to warm up the back of your legs. From here, we shift forward into upward facing dog. Keep your hips hovering above the mat. Pull your spine forward, open your chest, and breathe in. Breathe out, tuck your chin, engage your belly, and move back to down dog. Again, up dog, inhale. And exhale, down dog. Do this 2 more times, flowing with your breath. This is such a great way to wake up and warm up the whole body. Twisted low lunge. From down dog, lift your left leg up and step the leg forward between your hands. Take a moment to settle into your low lunge. Keep your right knee on the mat. Inhale, reach your left arm to the ceiling. Exhale, open your chest a little bit more and breathe into your twist. I am feeling so comfortable to twist like this after a long sleep, and I hope you're feeling the same way. Side plank. From here, keep your upper body like this. Engage your core. Stack your left leg on your right one. Move into side plank on the right side. Tighten your belly. Use your core muscles to lift your hips up a little bit more. Reach your left arm far up toward the ceiling. Reaching the ceiling, create a space between your shoulder blades. This pose is very good for your neck and shoulders. Wild thing. Bend your left leg, bring it behind you, and place it on the mat. Extend the left arm overhead. Use your hips and your right arm to lift your chest up. Open the chest and breathe in. And breathe out slowly. Now you flip your body to return to down dog. Let's work your right side. Flow with your breath. Lift your right leg up. Low lunge. Twisted low lunge. Reach your right arm toward the back a little bit to open your chest. Breathe in and breathe out. Side plank. Your body is a straight line and reach your arm upward. Breathe in and breathe out. Your body is strong and steady. Wild thing on your right side. Lift your hips. Relax your head and your shoulders. Breathe in and out. We'll meet each other in down dog. Down dog to up dog flow. Remember what we did at the beginning of this video. We're moving in and out, down dog and up dog. Breathe in, up dog. And breathe out, down dog. Move with your breath a few times and notice how your body feels stronger and more open now, which is a great way to close our practice and start your day with fresh energy. Last pose, seated twist. You sit comfortable on the mat. Breathe in, bring your arms up. Breathe out, twist to the left. Relax your shoulders. Look down to the mat. Take a few breaths here. Breathe in, bring your arms up. And breathe out, twist to the right. Remember to look down to the mat. Now let's return to the center. Breathe in, lift your arms up. Lengthen your body. Bring your hands together in front of your chest in prayer position. Namaste. Thank you for starting your day with me. I'm so grateful we could practice together. Don't forget to come back tomorrow morning and practice with me again. I look forward to see you then.